Hi friends, greetings from Castling IT Solutions Private Limited. I'm just going to talk about free web hosting and domain registrations which we are offering. I'm going to explain this, how it works. Just go and type castlingit.com and our website, just click on it. This is our website. Now I'll talk about each and every section in separate videos. So currently I'm going to talk about domain registration, web hosting and designing. In that we are offering free domain registration and web hosting, which I'll explain you now. Now just type like your domain whatever you want. So I'm just, for example, I'm just typing as free giveaway, and you need not select any, you need not add any .com, .at, any extensions, because already here we have given with all tick marks, which it will check automatically. So I'm just searching it, and it takes some time to search all the extensions, and then it will display which is available, which is not available. So here this domain, most of the extensions are taken. For example, I'm just selecting this free giveaway.biz. This is for example, and then going down and then order. Now if you see free giveaway.biz registration, the amount is $21. So here I have options of you can select whichever you want. If you want INR, you can get it in INR. If you want in other Euro, Great Britain pounds, Canadian and Australian dollars, everything you can get it. So I'm just putting back in US dollars itself. Now let me go for web hosting. Web hosting is there, the link at the down, web hosting. So in that we are giving web hosting, free web hosting features here. If you see here, free, the first one, free web hosting, it comes with $49, but actually it is free. It is free if you are taking any designing package. So we have mentioned here free web hosting, free domain registration, along with any package of web hosting, designing pack, or mobile app development or digital marketing. So initially what I'll do is I'm just ordering this free web hosting, and if you see that this also added, so totally $70. Now we are telling that we are giving free web hosting and free domain registration if you are taking any designing pack. So for example, what I'll do is just go to web designing, and in that I'm just taking the basic pack, which is $99. But if you can see the cart, it has $70 already, but we are telling we are going to give away free. So now just go to web designing and click our basic pack, which is $99, and we are explaining about what all you get. So what you get in this pack and what is the benefits of this pack, warranty, and we are giving money back guarantee as well, customer support, and what next after ordering this. Now let's order this. It goes to cart. If you see web hosting, it become 0, and domain registration has become 0, and designing pack is 99. So already, which is $70, that we are giving it for free, and the total web designing cost is just $99. In this $99 you are getting web designing, web hosting, and free giveaway .domain as well. So here we want to tell you one more thing. We are giving 20% discount flat on all our products during this lockdown period. So if you type COVID-19, COVID 19, and apply, you will get another 20% discount of this, and just $79, $79.20. In that you are going to get web designing, web hosting, and domain registration as well. So this is what I want to explain. So try to use this opportunity and make your business online. Thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You get more videos like this. Thank you very much.